Hi, I'm Chris Pruitt. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm a cataract and glaucoma specialist with the eye surgeons, and I'm going to talk a little bit today about what glaucoma is and how we treat it. This is a cross section of an eye. When light enters the eye a bit like this, it goes all the way to the back of the eye and stimulates the retina. The retina is a bit like film inside a camera. It picks up the light and sends it via a signal to the optic nerve like this. And then that signal goes down the optic nerve like this to the brain, and then the brain processes it. We use that to see. So those cells, those neurons that carry information from the retina to the brain are what's damaged in glaucoma. This is a picture of what it looks like in real life. So this is a black and white photograph of a retina and an optic nerve. And if you look, these right here are blood vessels. Those are arteries and veins that carry blood to and from the retina. But what I want to draw your attention to is this whitish stuff here. So if you look, these whitish lines are the nerve cells that carry information from the retina to the optic nerve and then down the optic nerve to the brain. When these cells are damaged, we start to lose our peripheral vision and eventually our central vision in a process called glaucoma. This patient right here has lost a lot of these neurons already. Right here, there's no white lines, and this patient probably can't see with this part of their retina right now. So they've already lost some of their peripheral vision. So this happens because the eye pressure is pushing too hard on the optic nerve there and is damaging it. So what we try to do is to lower the eye pressure. Inside the eye, there's a faucet and a drain. I'm going to blow this segment of the eye up. I'm going to enlarge that. This here is the faucet. This is where fluid is produced inside the eye. And the fluid goes this way and it enters the drain of the eye here. Now, usually this drain is unobstructed and there's no problem inside the eye, but sometimes the iris can cover up the drain of the eye and that makes the eye pressure go up some. So when we're trying to decide how to lower the eye pressure, we need to find out first if the drain is covered up by the iris. And if it is, then we need to move the iris. We can do that with small lasers or with lens replacement. If the drain isn't covered, then we can start with small lasers to lower the eye pressure, follow that with eye drops, follow that with small surgeries, then big surgeries, then big lasers. We'll have more videos covering each one of these topics, and they'll be linked in the description of this video. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you for letting us take care of you. Bye-bye.